If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. The way to become rich is to make money, not to save it. Schools teach you how to work for money, but don't teach how to make money work for you. Change your focus from making money to serving more people. Serving people makes the money come in. Making money is a common sense. It's not rocket science. But unfortunately, when it comes to money, common sense is uncommon. I believe the power to make money is a gift of God. Making money is a common sense. It's not rocket science. But unfortunately, when it comes to money, common sense is uncommon. Success is not the result of making money. Earning money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. If you make meaning, you'll make money. The companies that are successful, they start out to make meaning, not to make money. I'm not interested in making money. It's just that with my talent, I'm cursed with it. We have always believed that it's possible to make money without being evil. We don't make movies to make money, we make money to make more movies. Find something you love to do. If you don't make money at it, at least you love going to work. Simply put, we don't build services to make money, we make money to build better services. And we think this is a good way to build something. Making money isn't the backbone of our guiding purpose, making money is the byproduct of our guiding purpose. If you're doing something you love, you're more likely to put your all into it, and that generally equates to making money. It's not difficult to make money, it's different. Human beings are much bigger than just making money. Money, says the proverb, makes money. When you have got a little, it is often easy to get more. The way to make money in the stock market is to buy a stock. Then, when it goes up, sell it. If it's not going to go up, don't buy it.